Must do something. It is very important to do something. Must is stronger than should. I must do some work tonight. Equals I have work to do. It is very important that I do some tonight. We must get up early tomorrow. Equals it is very important to get up early tomorrow. You must not talk during the exam. Equals it is very important that you do not talk during the exam. We can use must to talk about the present or the future. We must go now. We must go soon. Examples. I must do some work tonight. We must get up early tomorrow. You must not talk during the exam. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, must not. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, must. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, must. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, must not. Complete the sentence. Right answer is A, must. Complete the sentence. Right answer is B, must.